The Galaxy Z Fold 7 isn't here to shock you. It's here to refine what already works, and that might just be the smartest move Samsung has made. No dramatic redesign, no wild gimmicks, just polished precision and a foldable that finally feels mature. Yes, the design still folds like a book, but this time the hinge is sleeker, the device is lighter, and the whole thing feels smoother in hand. It's the kind of upgrade that whispers confidence, not screams for attention. The main 7.6-inch AMOLED display, still gorgeous, now brighter, more responsive, and tough enough to survive your daily scrolls. The crease, still there, but honestly, you stop noticing after day 2. It's part of the deal. The outer screen finally gets it right. Wider, more natural to type on, and genuinely usable without opening the phone every 5 minutes. Samsung also nailed multitasking, with a slick taskbar, app continuity, and split screen that actually works like you'd want it to. If you multitask like a pro, this phone is made for you. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and 12GB RAM combo delivers exactly what you'd expect. Speed, fluidity, and zero fuss. Battery life? Not groundbreaking, but reliable. Fast charging helps. You won't be reaching for a charger midday. Okay, so the cameras? Totally solid, but like nothing too wild, you know? A triple lens setup that snaps, like super sharp balanced shots. Great for everyday use. But if you're chasing that DSLR level drama, hard pass. And yeah, the price is still like chilling around $1,800. But listen, the Z Fold 7, it's not about being worth it in the old school way. It's about like unlocking a whole new phone experience. Pocket, tablet, entertainment hub, work companion. Obviously, it's not for everyone, and that's the whole point. Now, if you've been waiting for foldables to finally, grow up, this is it. If not, no sweat. Your flat phone isn't going extinct.
Lol.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, stay updated, hit like and subscribe if this helped, and I'll catch you in the next one.